back to my channel. Hope you guys are safe and healthy in these difficult times. It's been a while since I have been away from YouTube, but now I'm back with many exciting videos, so stay tuned for that. In today's video, I have this Eid inspired look. I just love how the eyes have turned out. It is so dramatic yet wearable. But first, Eid Mubarak to anyone celebrating out there. Hope you have a great celebration. In this Eid look, the focus is obviously on the eyes to give Arabian kind of vibes, and also it is perfect for an Eid party. I hope you enjoyed this look and try it out for yourself. So if you want to know how to get this Eid look, then please keep on watching. First, I'm going to use Cetaphil lotion to provide some hydration and moisturization to my face. I'm just dotting it all over my face and neck and massaging it nicely so that it gets absorbed completely. Next, using PAC Pore Primer, I am applying it on the areas where I have pores and filling them in to provide a smooth canvas for foundation application. Next, using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Natural Buff, I'm dotting it all over my face and neck, and then with the help of a damp beauty blender, blending it in a dabbing motion. Next, taking Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium, I'm applying it under my eyes in an inverted triangle shape, and also applying it on the center of my forehead, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow and chin. And then with the help of the same beauty blender, I'm blending it everything seamlessly. Next, using Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral, I'm just applying it on the inner corners and the outer corners of my eyes to brighten them up, and then pinching the beauty blender to reach the inner corners of my eyes. This will really brighten up your under eye area and makes your eyes stand out, as we are going to use dark eyeshadows. To set my foundation and concealer, I'm using K-Beauty's HD Setting Loose Powder, and with the help of a powder brush, I am pressing it all over my face to keep everything intact. Taking Sugar's Contour Powder in the shade Taupe Topper on an angled brush, I am just lightly dusting it all on the perimeters of my face to give an illusion of natural shadow falling on the sides of my face. Next, taking Essence Silky Touch Blush in the shade Natural Beauty, I am applying it on my cheeks in an upward motion. With PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer, I am spritzing it all over my face and then dabbing it lightly with a beauty blender to make everything seem more natural and to take away the powderiness. With the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade, I am defining my eyebrows by placing it in the direction of my hair growth and then making hair-like strokes to fill them in. Next, with the help of a spoolie, I am taking out the excess and making it look more natural. Taking NYX eyeshadow base on a flat brush, I am patting it all over my eyelids to cover any pigmentation and to give a smooth base for eyeshadow application. Next, using Makeup Revolution X Patricia Bright Eyeshadow Palette and picking this medium brown shade. With the help of a crease brush, first I am placing the color on the outer corner and then I am blending it into the crease towards the inner corner while maintaining the V shape on the outer corner of my eyes. With a small blending brush, I am blending it even more to the outer corners of my eyes to give a lifting effect. Taking Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and picking this black eyeshadow on a tiny blending brush, I am placing it on the outer corner and blending it into the crease while darkening the outer corners even more. Next, taking this cream shade, I am further blending it out to make it look more seamless. Using the same brown shade on a small pencil brush, I am smoking out my lower lash line and defining my eye shape even more. Next, picking this beautiful metallic green shade on a flat brush, I'm just lightly dabbing this shade all over my eyelids. With the same black eyeshadow, I'm blending the area where it meets the matte eyeshadow. And then with a fluffy blending brush, I'm blending everything on my crease. Next, I'm picking the champagne shade and putting it in my inner corners to brighten them up. Taking Maybelline gel liner, I'm lining my upper lash line with a liner brush and making a wing on the outer corner. Next, taking NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner, I am defining my inner corners and making them as sharp as I can. And again, taking the same gel liner, I am lining my waterline. And then with a pencil brush, I am smudging it out to give a softer look. With Maybelline's Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in the shade Glossy Emerald, I'm just bringing some color to my lower lash line and then smoking it out. With Maybelline's Total Temptation Mascara, I'm coating my lashes 5-6 times to really open them up. Next, using PAC Tapered Lashes in the number 53, I'm just placing it on the upper lash line with help of a tweezer. Next, using PAC Baked Highlighter in the number 03, I'm just placing it on the highest point of my face, that is my cheekbones, the center of my forehead, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. For lips, I'm using Maybelline's Color Sensational in the shade Raw Cocoa and just filling my lips with it. Once more, I'm spritzing the setting spray all over my face to keep my makeup in place. For the outfit, I have chosen this bottle green sharara with a bright dupatta to go with and added a pair of big earrings in an Arabic design. And here's the final look with the whole outfit and all. I really had fun creating this mesmerizing Eid look. Hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.